Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can your LLC pay for your health insurance? This is one of the most common questions for entrepreneurs, and the answer isn't a simple yes or no. It all depends on how your LLC is taxed by the IRS, which is the most important factor. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the most common setup, a single-member LLC that's taxed as a sole proprietorship, also known as a disregarded entity. In this case, the LLC cannot directly deduct your health insurance premiums as a business expense. Why? Because the IRS sees you and your single-member LLC as the same taxpayer. You aren't considered an employee. So, what do? The proper way is for you to pay for the health insurance personally. Your LLC can give you the money to do this through an owner's draw, but that draw is not a business expense. Then, when you file your personal taxes, you can take the self-employed health insurance deduction on your Form 1040. This allows you to deduct 100% of your premiums, which lowers your adjusted gross income. The same logic applies to a multi-member LLC taxed as a partnership. The partnership itself can't deduct the premiums for the partners, but it can treat the payments as guaranteed payments to the partners, who then personally deduct the premiums on their own tax returns. Now, things change completely if you've elected for your LLC to be taxed as an S-corporation. This is a game changer for many. If you are an owner who owns more than 2% of the S-corp, you are also considered an employee. In this scenario, your S-corp can and should pay for your health insurance premiums directly. The business can then deduct those premiums as an employee benefit expense. Here's the key part. The amount the company paid for your insurance must be included as wages on your W-2. But don't worry, while it's added to your income, it's not subject to Social Security or Medicare taxes. Then, just like the sole proprietor, you get to take the self-employed health insurance deduction on your personal tax return to cancel out that extra income. It's a specific process, but it allows the business to formally take the deduction. So to recap, for a standard LLC, the business doesn't take the deduction, you do, personally. For an LLC taxed as an S-corp, the business pays and deducts the premium, but you must report it as income on your W-2 and then deduct it on your personal return. Always be sure to establish a formal plan in the company's name. This isn't formal tax advice, so please consult with your CPA or tax professional to determine the best strategy for your specific situation. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped clear things up for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips on running your small business.